Get it. This is how Brindle plays with her balloon now. Her goal has been, where are you going with it? Go get your balloon. She tries to grab the end where you blow it up and carry it around in her mouth without popping it. There she goes. You got it! Yay! You're so funny. You're so darn smart too. You got your balloon. Come here, get a cookie. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Yeah, good girl. Okay, wait a minute. There's nothing under there yet. Hold on. Hold on. Wait. Let's show everybody. We're gonna move this around and move this around. Whoop. Okay, Brindle. Find your cookie. There you go. Smart girl. Yeah.